very complex flavor. Papalambutin natin yung ating beef with beer. Cerveza! Excited ako para sa ating caldereta today. Kasi medyo kakaiba. Ng konti lang, hindi masyadong OA, pero masarap siya. The secret sa masarap na caldereta or any type of stew is to marinate the meat ahead of time. So ito siya, very simple, toyo and black pepper lang. And the purpose of that is not just to add flavor, pero the soy sauce, or if you use salt, or you use patis, helps tenderize the meat. And number two, it makes it more juicy. And I'm heating my cast iron pot from Masflex. Beautiful blue color. And I will sear our beef. If you sear your beef, the flavors become more complex. Kasi alam mo, yung pag-caramelize ng ating beef, no, ng proteins, it transforms into umami bits of flavor. Oh, the Maillard reaction, oh, di ba? Napaka-technical. Pero yun talaga, kaya tayo mga Pilipino, mahilig tayo sa mga medyo may tutong ng konti, medyo tostado, kasi malinamnam. Oh. So by searing your beef, mas magiging malinamnam yung ating sauce. No? So this one, marinated overnight, and I will just drizzle a bit of oil. And we will sear. So the key in searing is that dapat mainit na mainit yung inyong pot, and also, importante, do not crowd the pot. Don't crowd it or else it will steam. Magtutubig siya. And what happens? Hindi na siya sear. Laga na siya. No? Hear the sizzle? Yeah, that's what you want to hear, ha? So, this one takes a bit of patience. So ako, pag konti lang yung pangbahay na luto, kami-kami lang kakain, I will sear it. There's a flavor difference, pero sometimes, if you do it well, hindi mo masyadong pansin yung pag-sear ng meat. Pero ito, really adds that complexity. And once may brown na tayo, we try to brown it on all sides, then we transfer it to another plate. Patience is key. Yan, first batch done. Ito, wag mong sayangin tong mga nagtututong sa ilalim, ha? That's why it's very important to use a very good quality na pot when you're searing, na makapal. Or else, masusunog yung inyong meat. Iba yung tostado, iba yung sunog. Kasi yung sunog, mapait. Yung tostado, malinamnam. And ito naman siya, pang 1 kilo din luto natin. So this will shrink as it cooks. And in the meantime, I will be chopping my vegetables. I have my onions. Chop it whatever way you want. You can mince it, you can dice it, you can do whatever. But I'm using around 3 onions. So this is around a half cup or 3/4 cup of onions because it's going to add a bit of sweetness to our sauce. So ito, sasarap yung linamnam talaga ng ating caldereta. And last batch of beef. We are done searing our beef. I'm just adding a little bit more of oil. And I will saute my onions. Let it soften. Saute. Add our garlic. Season with a little salt. Always season as you go along. Now, we will add very classic Pinoy na Pinoy liver spread. Pwede din chicken livers sa you blend. Gisa-gisa natin. Look at that, no? Nakukuha. And now, what I will do, I will put back all the beautiful beef into the pot. Yung mga drippings niya. Tingnan mo. Beautiful drippings. Mix natin. And we will add our beer to deglaze the pan. And this will also help us tenderize the beef. So instead of water, we are adding beer to add that very nice complex flavor. At do not worry, no, mga bata, you can eat this because as the beer cooks, all the alcohol is cooked off. And what is left is only the flavor. I will let that cook for a little while. And I will add my pepper and our laurel leaves. And ito, it's your time to scrape off the bottom kasi nandyan yung lahat ng flavor. And we'll just let that simmer for a little while. And itong excess natin na soy sauce na konti, dagdag ko lang. Let it simmer and I'll prepare our other vegetables. Preparing our vegetables. So ito, simple lang. So that is our potatoes. And we have our carrots here. I will cut into smaller pieces and I will fry. Ang ating half tender, hindi pa siya fully tender. And I will add my tomato sauce. And aside from the tomato sauce, I am adding a bit of vinegar. So ang vinegar natin, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Gusto natin yung hindi lang malinamnam, may konting acid para masarap siya. That is a secret. And I'm going to add a bit of oil. Fry our carrots and our potatoes. Ka-crumble pag ninuto natin sa sauce. Ano natin? Konting salt. Meron tayong chili flakes. Ito, very simple na caldereta. Wala masyadong sahog. Ito lang, patatas, carrots, and bell peppers. So, ito siya. I will add a bit of oregano. And ngayon, handa ko yung aking bell pepper. Green and red bell pepper. And my patatas and carrots are ready. And I will just wait for my beef to become tender. And just before serving, I will add my vegetables. And we will be ready to serve. Diba ganito yung gusto nating caldereta? Yung medyo nagmamantika ng konti. Very rich. Oh. And it is time to add our carrots, potatoes, bell peppers. For a few minutes, let it cook. Parang flavors ng bell peppers. Then yung carrots and patatas, init ulit. And just a little bit more black pepper. This is our very yummy caldereta with cerveza. Let it simmer. Mahinang apoy. Let all the flavors come together. Warm up the carrots and potatoes. And while we're waiting, don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Ay, magluluto tayo ulit ng maraming masarap na recipes. But eto siya, caldereta with cerveza. Pwede sa mga bata because all the alcohol has been cooked off. And look at that. Hindi pa kinatatakam. Tender. Diba? Oh. Ito yung mga recipes ng ating cast iron pot series. Caldereta. Gusto ko yung may konting taba-taba. No judgment ha. Pero dun talaga yung sarap eh. Ay, ang lambot. Oh, ang lambot oh. At hindi siya wasak, hindi siya durug-durug. It's tender, it's intact because it's cooked low and slow in our cast iron pot. Oh, lambot din yung patatas. Perfect bite. Their best with kanin. Pwedeng bagong luto. Pwedeng garlic rice. Kahit bahaw. Pwede. Try this recipe. Caldereta with cerveza. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.